Welcome to VMS Teacher app. Before getting started, installation, registration, and synchronization, you just make sure that the number which you are registering must be active in the phone. Also, the number should have minimum balance for an SMS authentication, and make sure that the default messaging app on your phone is the pre-installed SMS app and not other like Hangout or WhatsApp. And even after that, if it stop at the authentication process, call on our support number 7506 338899. I repeat, 7506 338899. Now you click on Google Play Store. You can type VMS Teacher app. As you click on VMS Teacher app, you will see the VMS Teacher. You click on VMS Teacher. Here it give you the open option. You can just click open. It will ask you the registration process. Here you have to type your registered mobile number. You can type your registered mobile number. As you click on register, it will make a process. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. As you get the SMS, it automatically start configuring your mobile, and it comes to your branch. If you have multiple branch, it will show you the branch status. If you have a single branch, it will comes your direct authentication. You click on your branch. This is the main screen where you will have all the functionality like pictures, alerts, homework, payment, fees payment, holidays, PTA meeting, result, syllabus, timetable, attendance, PTA forum, worksheet, project work, event, and even you can sync to your server. If you want to send multiple picture like sports day, you have some function in school, annual day, for school some functionality is there, you can click on the picture. Here it will be the main screen. If you want to select the participant, here it's come the multiple option, like you can select a single child or you can select the particular standard, and even you can define a group. All, if you want to send to everyone in the school, select all. So it goes to the all branches in all division, all standard. You click on done. Here you can define your picture title like sports day or annual day, or you have some functionality. So define your function. Like I am just giving example, sports day. Here you can describe the picture, like if it is running race, you can define running race. And even you can take live picture from your mobile, or even you can take a video from your mobile, or if you have taken picture already, so you can define from your group, from your gallery, or from explore, or from your photo. So if you having multiple picture, so you can select your multiple picture. Here there is no limitation, you can define multiple picture, and you can click on send button. So it goes to the everyone in the school, and every parents will see your all images live immediately. Now you can click on alerts button. So here you can send any type of alerts, notification, any emergency notices. Sending the process will be the same, like you have to select the recipient. You can select if you want to send particular notice to a single child, you can click on single child. Here it will show you the list of the child. you can select a single child. It will comes over here. And if you want to send notices to a particular division, you can click the standard. Here it will show you the all the class which you have. You can select the class. It will comes as a division. If you have multiple division, it will be shown over here. So you can select the division. You can click on done. So here it will show you the, like you are sending the particular one student, then you are sending to the group of division. Here you can select the title, like if you want to send a holiday, and if you have some notices, even you can attach the notice by clicking picture. And you can click on send. So it goes to the particular division. And now is the functionality of homework. So you can select your receptionist, you can select the standard, you can select the particular class. Here you can type the subject. You can describe your homework. If you have particular date of submission, here you can select the date of submission, like it should be done in next 3 days. So you can select the particular date and you can send. So it will go to the whole division, the mathematics homework. So everyone will get the alerts like they have to do the homework of maths. Now it comes the fees. Fees is kind of receptionist of the payment, like any additional fees like your iCard charges or particular worksheet charges or t-shirt charges, anything here you can, teacher can directly add the child. Here you can select the child, you can select the amount, and you can describe like which reason of the payment. Here there are multiple options like cash or check. If it comes as a cash, you can save the payment option. It will goes to the server. Now if you want to add multiple, so you can again you have to click the add button. Now there again holiday list area. Here you can upload your yearly holiday list. It will comes over here, and if you want to add some new holidays, so you can add the new holidays, and you can send to the particular students, or if you want the internal team like teachers or non-teaching staff, so you can click over here and you can define the holiday name. And if you have a specific date, and if you have multiple date, you can select the multiple date like start date and end date, and you can add the holiday. Now there are option of PTA meeting. If you want to call a PTA meeting, you have to select the PTA meeting tab, and you can add the new date for PTA. And if you have some special notices, you can add by attach files. So you can click the attach file, you can select the date, and you can click add PTA meeting. Now here comes as a result. So if you click on result, so you have the Excel macro. So that Excel macro is will given to your administrator. So they will add the result of the student and automatically it displays on the parent's phone. Now comes as a syllabus. So if you click on syllabus, so here is again the receptionist. You can select your receptionist by particular child or particular division or everyone, and you can click on, if you had defined the group, you can click on the group. So like I have selected the standard second, so I have a division, I have selected the division, I have homework subjects, so even I can attach the file if this has to be completed in weekdays or particular time frame, so I can define the time. So from 19 June to 9 July it should be completed. Now I have added, so this way syllabus, we can define the syllabus and it will go. Now I am clicking the timetable. So here I can select the receptionist. So I can, same way I can define the child or particular division or everyone. I can select the timetable. If you have the screen, so I can take a snap of that timetable by clicking on photographs. Same way it get attached and I can send to the timetable. Now comes as the important point, attendance. By clicking attendance, I can send to attendance of the whole class. So here I have to select the date, I have to select the standard and particular division. So here is the two child. So example, Deepak as absent, so I have to click absent, and Harish is a present, so I have to do nothing. And if I click on done, so automatically attendance gets stored. Now this is the PTA forum. So this PTA forum is for the people who are under the PTA, and it's their internal for the parents. Now comes as a worksheet. So if I want to send the worksheet to the particular student or particular division, I click the particular division, I select the division. Now I have to select the subject, worksheet title. Now any important note if we want to define, here we can define the note. So here I have given, like they have to write the story as per the sheet given. So I have attached the sheet. Now I have to define the submission date. So I set the date of which I have given and when I have to submit. So let's see, I have to submit on 26th. So I select the submission date as the 26th. Now I'll click on the send button. So sheet will goes to the particular division. Now same way I have to select the project. So here you have to select the reception. So we have the same way, you can select the particular single child or you have to select the particular standard, and if you have some project work for everyone in the school, you can select all. So it goes to the everyone. Now we have to define the project title. Same way you have to, if you have some important notification, you have to write down in the project note. You have to give the date which we are giving and submission date. And if you have some important notices, so you can attach your notices. Now this is the event. So here you can define your event, particular monthly basis or weekly basis. You can define your events, internal school event, like if you have some programs, if you have some group wise discussion, if you have some allocation, anything you can define over here. You can add your event. You can give the title, you can give the description, you can select the particular start date, and you can select the end date, and you can click on add. So it will goes to the everyone in the school. This is the sync button. If some new notification has come, you have to click on sync button. So automatically information will get saved, and whatever the information you have sent to the parents, it will shown over here. Thank you very much.